How to seal your patio, driveway, or pavers the right way. Step 1. Test the surface if it is suitable for sealing and pour some water to check absorbency. If water is absorbed, it is good to seal. Step 2. Deep clean the surface with pressure washer to remove dirt, algae, and stain and let it dry completely. Step 4. Shake well before filling it into the hand pump sprayer, then close the lid properly, pump to gain the pressure, and test and adjust the spray nozzle. Step 5. Spray first coat evenly on the surface. While still wet, apply second coat to ensure maximum penetration and protection inside the stone. Let it cure for minimum 24 hours and keep it dry during curing. Foot traffic is okay after the first 2 hours of drying. Test the surface after 24 hours by pouring some water on the surface. If applied correctly, the effect should look like this. Water should bead right away. It is normal that the beading effect fade after a while, but the sealing will still protect the stone from dirt, algae, and stains for years. This real-life comparison sealed versus unsealed after 2 years says it all. Say goodbye to constant pressure washing and keep your driveway and patio clean for years.